Salary after BBA in Aviation. The salary after completing a BBA in aviation varies widely based on several critical factors, including the specific role, geographic location, type of employer, and the individual's professional experience and skills. This degree equips graduates with specialized knowledge of aviation management, airport operations, and customer service, which opens doors to numerous career opportunities in the aviation industry. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. Entry-level positions, 0 to 2 years of experience. Number 1. Airport Operations Executive, 3 to 5 lakhs Indian rupee per annum, INR, /25,000 to $40,000 per year, international. Number 2. Customer Service Agent, 2.5 to 4 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /20,000 to $35,000 per year. Number 3. Ground Staff, 2.5 to 4 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /20,000 to $30,000 per year. Number 4. Air Cargo Assistant, 3 to 4.5 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /25,000 to $40,000 per year. Mid-level positions, 2 to 5 years of experience. Number 1. Airport Duty Manager, 6 to 10 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /40,000 to $70,000 per year. Number 2. Aviation Safety Officer, 5 to 8 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /40,000 to $60,000 per year. Number 3. Airline Marketing Executive, 5 to 8 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /35,000 to $60,000 per year. Number 4. Flight Coordinator, 5 to 7 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /40,000 to $55,000 per year. Senior level positions, 5+ years of experience. Number 1. Airport Operations Manager, 8 to 15 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /60,000 to $100,000 per year. Number 2. Airline Revenue Manager, 10 to 18 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /70,000 to $120,000 per year. Number 3. Aviation Consultant, 12 to 20 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /80,000 to $150,000 per year. Number 4. Ground Handling Manager, 10 to 15 lakhs Indian rupee per annum /70,000 to $110,000 per year. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.